KIF is not just about the screening of some award-winning films. KIF is a whole package for the cinephile involving many film-related events such as film exhibitions, talk shows, master classes, lectures, Cine Adda, and what have you.
Today, at the much-awaited inaugural ceremony of the 29th Kolkata International Film Festival 2023, ladies and gentlemen, we promise you a spectacular evening filled with dance, music, cinema, a galaxy of national and international film personalities, delegates, dignitaries, and distinguished guests. And the new talents looking for a platform of their own. It's time for the 29th Kolkata International Film Festival 2023. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is June Malia, and with me is the gorgeous and super talented Churni Ganguly. And together we welcome you to the inaugural ceremony of the 29th Kolkata International Film Festival 2023.
নমস্কার কলকাতা। আপনারা নিশ্চয়ই খুব আনন্দে এই মুহূর্তে খুব অনেকক্ষণ অপেক্ষা করে যেটার জন্য অপেক্ষা করেছিলেন সেই মুহূর্তে এসে পৌঁছেছে। Good evening to all here. Today we celebrate the 29th edition of the Kolkata International Film Festival, and it is a milestone that we can all be very proud of. Before we start our program, let us all stand for the state song. May I invite our beloved Diti, Srimati Mamata Bandyopadhyay, Sri Radha Bandyopadhyay, Monomoy Bhattacharya, Rupankar Bagchi, Aditi Munshi, Iman Chakraborty, and Indranil Sen for the state song.
All rise for the state song.
Sri Radha Bandyopadhyay, Monomoy Bhattacharya, Rupankar Bagchi, Aditi Munshi, Iman Chakraborty, and Indranil Sen.
Thank you.
The Kolkata International Film Festival is now a phenomenon. From a modest start in 1995, the festival has grown in expanse, content, and stature over the last few years. Where else in a film festival's inaugural function do you see so many spectators, so many distinguished personalities? KIF is not just about the screening of some award-winning films. KIF is a whole package for the cinephile involving many film-related events such as film exhibitions, talk shows, master classes, lectures, Cine Adda, and what have you.
Today, at the much-awaited inaugural ceremony of the 29th Kolkata International Film Festival 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, we promise you a spectacular evening filled with dance, music, cinema, a galaxy of national and international film personalities, delegates, dignitaries, and distinguished guests.
Ladies and gentlemen, this year is a very special year for the Kolkata International Film Festival. After the Silver Jubilee celebrations, we are now a year ahead of the Pearl Jubilee celebrations. 3 decades have seen so many changes, and the once Kolkata Film Festival is now the Kolkata International Film Festival, with more color and pride and more international acclamation from different parts of the world. It is not only a festival, it's an Utsav, the Film Utsav of Bengal.
Churni,
Yes,
what's the day today?
5th December.
Yes. Do you know that today is the World Soil Day? And it is a very significant and an important day for our Ma Mati Manush government. And isn't it wonderful that on such an occasion, on such an auspicious day, Kolkata International Film Festival, the 29th edition of the KIFF 2023 has kicked off.
Also, let me add here that our Honorable Chief Minister took a huge initiative to organize a month-long mega celebration to commemorate this year's Durgotsav all over the state, even in different parts of the country and overseas, in collaboration with different forums and Durga Puja clubs and committees.
This month-long mega celebration was concluded with an extravagant, colorful, spectacular carnival on Red Road, where 100 Barwadi Durga Puja clubs and committees participated. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, similar carnivals were organized in all the district headquarters across the state.
Well, we could go on, but June, now I think it's time for us to focus once again on our most colorful international film festival, the Kolkata International Film Festival. Well, this is Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, but the city is also widely acclaimed as the cultural capital of India.
Absolutely.
And
June.
we cannot visualize a celebration without dance and music, can we, June?
Correct. To mark the beginning of this auspicious evening, ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present a beautiful piece of dance and music. The concept, the design is by Honorable Chief Minister Srimati Mamata Banerjee. The composition and lyrics is also by our Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee. The song has been rendered by eminent singers from Bengal, and the dance has been choreographed by the beautiful and talented Donna Ganguly and her troupe.
Sri Biman Bandyopadhyay, Honorable Speaker, Legislative Assembly.
Mr. Gautam Ghosh,
Mr. Ranjit Mollik,
Srimoti Sabitri Chattopadhyay,
Srimoti Madhavi Mukhopadhyay,
Sri Dipankar De,
Srimoti Lily Chakraborty,
Sri Paran Bandopadhyay,
Sri Shondip Rai,
Sri Anjan Datto,
Sri Chiranjit Chakraborty,
Sri Shobboshachi Chakraborty,
Sri Prosenjit Chattopadhyay,
Sri Raj Chakraborty, Chairperson, Kolkata International Film Festival,
Dr. H.K. Dwivedi, Chief Secretary, West Bengal.
Srimoti Sabitri Chattopadhyay.
এসে গেছে Mr. Rolf de Heer, Australian filmmaker. We welcome you too.
Mr. Timangshu Dhulia. Mr. Timangshu Dhulia, please.
As I said earlier, in which other film festival would you see so many distinguished filmmakers, actors, cinema personalities on the dais together?
We would now request Mr. Salman Khan to kindly declare the 29th Kolkata International Film Festival 2023 open by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. May I also request our beloved Didi to join him in lighting the ceremonial lamp. Mr. Khan will be assisted by the very gorgeous Kaushani Mukherjee. We would also like to request all the other guests and dignitaries to join Mr. Khan and our beloved Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimoti Mamata Bandopadhyay. This year is indeed a landmark for the Kolkata International Film Festival, the 29th edition of it. Not only has it traversed a journey of 29 years, KIFF has also become way bigger and brighter with every passing year. Chuni, you tell me, in which other film festival of the country do we have 219 films participating from 39 countries? The Royal Bengal Tiger Trophy is an extremely prestigious award in the film festival circuit. with the cash award of Best Film being one of the highest in film festivals.
Absolutely. And to mark this momentous occasion of completion of a 29-year journey, we will now felicitate the distinguished film personalities who've not only made a rich contribution to cinema, but have also steadfastly stood by the Kolkata International Film Festival. To start the felicitation ceremony, we would first like to honor two towering personalities from the world of cinema, Indian cinema, for their constant support and encouragement to the Kolkata International Film Festival. May I call upon Dev to felicitate Mr. Salman Khan with the 29th GIF Commemoration Trophy.
Mr. Shoham Chakraborty to felicitate the one and only Mr. Anil Kapoor. Srabondi Chatterjee to felicitate our Dada Shourabh Ganguly with the 29th Kolkata International Film Festival 2023 Commemoration Trophy.
May I request Mr. Proshenjit Chattopadhyay to please felicitate Mr. Shatrugna Sinha.
Rituparna Sengupta to felicitate Mr. Mahesh Bhatt. To stay back, please.
The Bengal produces so many film stars from Bengal and they have established in Mumbai. So our people are very talented and they are very creative. And you will be glad to know that this time we included our film society, cultural fraternity as a creativity, as a creative work, creative industry in the World Business Summit. So now film industry, it has become the creative industry. It creates more employment. It creates more artists. it gives opportunity to so many people. So I will request my भाईजान अनिल कपूर जी and मोएज भट्ट, अगर आप प्रेम का कोई आपको अच्छा कुछ देना है बंगाल को, तो थोड़ा से फिल्म करो बंगाल में। इतना जगह अच्छा अच्छा जगह है अभी बहुत सारे। दिस इज योर डेस्टिनेशन नाउ फॉर मुंबई इंडस्ट्री। बंगाल इज द फिल्म डेस्टिनेशन। गो टू दार्जिलिंग, गो टू कर्शियंग, गो टू कलिम्पोंग, गो टू मिरिक, गो टू अलीपुरदुआर, गो टू जलपाईगुड़ी, go to Shiliguri, go to Birbhum, go to Bolpur, go to Burdwan, go to Asansol. Of course, I have to remember Shatrugna Sinha's constituency. He is present here. He is the MP from there. Go to Howrah, go to Hooghly, go to Birbhum, go to Bardhaman, go to Nadia, go to South 24 Parganas, go to Sundarban, go to Gangasagar, go to every area. You will see the place, the infrastructure, and everything is ready. Please come, join, and please involve our Bengal film industry also to work with you. Please promote our Bengal film industry. Very talented boys and girls are here, I am telling you. Even our skill is very good. They are waiting to see and they are watching कि भाईजान आएगा कि नहीं आएगा। अगर शत्रुघ्न जी आ गया तो अनिल कपूर क्यों नहीं आएगा? अगर सौरभ आ गया तो शत्रुघ्न जी सोनाक्षी क्यों नहीं आएगा? हम तो मुंबई में जाते हैं, हमारा लोगों ने बापी लाहिरी चाहे सानुदा चाहे जीत गांगुली चाहे अरिजीत सिंह चाहे सब उधर में जाके गाना गाते हैं, फिल्म का गाना गाते हैं, चाहे किशोर कुमार चाहे मोहम्मद रफ़ी। अभी भाईजान को वादा करना है, हमारा बंगाल फिल्म का साथ में हमारा फिल्म एकेडमी है, हमारा टेली एकेडमी है, हमारा नया सब कुछ हम बना दिया। आप बोलो, आप वादा करो। आपने भाषण में मतलब आपने बात में बोला कि हम वादा करते हैं तो कभी निभाता नहीं है। आपने एक दिन मेरे को बोला था, मैं बोला प्लीज आइए, आप वादा रखा, तो आज भी आपको वादा करना है, आपको वादा करना है। माइक में बोलो, मैं आपको तरीका लिया।
वादा नहीं निभाने का या निभाने का?
वादा और भी ले आने का।
यहाँ पर वापस आने का, शूटिंग के लिए जरूर आएगा।
इसमें हमारा एक मैसेज जाते हैं, ऑलवेज बॉलीवुड इज कनेक्टेड विथ टॉलीवुड, ऑलवेज, एंड टॉलीवुड इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड विथ हॉलीवुड। तो इसी के लिए आपको इधर में आना है, फिल्म करना है, दिल जीतना है। अगर आपको कभी भी कोई जरूरत पड़े तो प्लीज रिमेंबर, इफ देयर इज एनी रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर, द बंगाल इज द रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर, एंड बंगाल पीपल फ्रॉम सेफ्टी, फ्रॉम सिक्योरिटी, फ्रॉम कल्चरल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, and Bengal can provide all the help to you because they love you. আপনারা বলুন তো, yes we love you. Everybody loves you. Shatrugna ji, Moez ji, Anil ji, Saurabh ji, Sonakshi ji, our Ranjit Mollik and other people are already watching your performance. June and Churni, they are also coordinating the meeting. आपका फिल्म का डायलॉग हम लोगों को भी आता है। भाईजान थोड़ा कह दो ना। नेक्स्ट फिल्म फेस्टिवल में आप आओगे, नेक्स्ट फिल्म फेस्टिवल में आप आओगे। आप जरूरत पड़े तो भाई फोटा के लिए भी आना है, भाई दूज के लिए रक्षाबंधन करेंगे। नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर जिंदा रहेंगे हम लोग, शत्रुघ्न जी ने जो बात किया है, मरने के लिए नहीं है, जिंदगी के लिए है। बचना है तो जिंदा रहना है, और जिंदा रहना है तो आइडियोलॉजी का साथ लड़ना है, स्ट्रेटेजी का साथ भी लड़ना है। इसी के लिए हम लोग को एक होके काम करना भी जरूरी है। आपको कभी दिक्कत पड़े तो हम लोग को बुलाओ, हम लोग चलाएंगे। अगर हम लोग को जरूरत पड़े तो आप जरूर आइए, जरूर आइए। বাংলার মতো অতিথি পরায়ণ আর কেউ নেই। বাংলায় সিনেমা চলবে, ভালো করে দেখুন, আনন্দ করুন, মজা করুন, হাসি মুখে থাকুন, আর সব সময় মনটাকে ভালো রাখুন, দেহটাকে সুস্থ রাখুন। মনে রাখবেন, ফিল্ম ইন্ডাস্ট্রি আজকে কিন্তু আমাদের খুব আনন্দ দেয়, অনেক সত্যি ঘটনাও তুলে ধরে। আমি সেদিনকে প্রসেনজিতের একটা ফিল্ম নিজে দেখছিলাম বসে বসে। ওর যে নেতাজি সুভাষচন্দ্র বোসের ওপরে যে ফিল্মটাও তৈরি করেছে, ইটস এ ভেরি গুড রিসার্চ ওয়ার্ক। আই মাস্ট কনগ্রাচুলেট প্রসেনজিৎ চ্যাটার্জি। গৌতম দার কত